In this video, we will show the best floor lamps in India 2020. At number 1, Ikea Knot Floor Uplighter Lamp. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 2, Beverly Studio 12 inches Iron Floor Lamp. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 3, Crafter Fabric Tripod Floor Lamp. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 4, Jezara Overseas Historical MART Roorkee Floor Lamp. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 5, 2 Casa LG 861 220 watt Floor Lamp. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 6, Ikea Boutique Store HOLMO Floor Lamp. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 7, Devansh Hardback Cotton Designer Leaf Wrought Iron Floor Standing Lamp. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.